Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the Professional Ethics MCQs T8076 2017 regulation syllabus. First question, putting self in a position of someone else and thinking as the later and reasoning suitable action is known as dash. The options are empathy, sympathy, integrity, spirituality. The correct answer is empathy, which is not the aspect of honesty. The options are truthfulness, trustworthiness, self respect, none of the above. The answer is self respect because truthfulness and trustworthiness both are related to honesty. The word ethics derived from dash word ethos. The options are Latin, Greek, Spanish, French. The answer is Greek because the word ethics derived from Greek word ethos, which is not a type of inquiry. The options are normative inquiry, conceptual inquiry, factual inquiry, non-factual inquiry. The answer is non-factual because inquiry is only three types. They are normative, conceptual, and factual. How service learning helps an individual. The options are to interact ethically with colleagues, to effectively coordinate with other departments, to effectively ideal with the customers, all the above. The answer is all the above because these all are used when service learning is learned. The stress caused by the daily demands and pressures encountered is the options are acute stress, episodic stress, chronic stress, none of the above. The answer is acute stress. Which of the Pichu describes best the actions, character, traits, and object of is one of the good or bad? The options are morals, values, ethics, integrity. The answer is values because based on the values only we can determine the character of a person, good or bad. Which of the terms refer to commitment? The options are tendency to support and cooperate with the colleagues, coordination with a co-worker, sharing of loyalty to the moral principles that are inherent in the engineering practices, paying respect to other property. The answer is sharing of loyalty to the moral principles that are inherent in the engineering practices. This is commonly called as commitment. Courage is the tendency to accept dash. The options are reasonable and objectionable compromises, risk and difficult task in rational ways. One knows is the right thing to do. Honesty requires engineers in particular situation. The correct answer is risk and difficult task in rational ways. Because courage is called as risk and difficult task in rational ways, we have to solve and accept it. An empirical inquiry into the actual rules or standards of a particular group is dash. The options are normative, descriptive, impersonal, none of the above. The answer is descriptive inquiry. Dash is defined as a duty, obligation, or even authority. The options are work, responsibility, democracy, authority. The answer is responsibility because responsibility is related to duty, obligation, or authority. Which of the following is an appropriate general principle with regard for engineering ethics. The options are: the engineer shall regard his duty to the public welfare is paramount to all other obligations. The engineer shall regard his duty to the objectives of the company as paramount to all other obligations. The engineer shall regard his duty to profession of engineering as paramount to other obligations. The engineer shall regard his duty to the excellence as paramount to his obligations. The answer is option A, because engineering ethics always the concept of public welfare. Next question: ability to think critically and independently about moral issue is dash. The options are: moral dilemma, moral autonomy, professionalism, consensus. The answer is moral autonomy. Autonomy means itself, it defines about independency, and moral autonomy defines thinking about critically and independently about the moral issues. Intrinsic good and implementation good is given by dash. It is defined by some author. We have to find who told this. The options are Aristotle, Kant, Mills, John Rawls. The answer is Mills. Which is the conventional level of moral development as per Kohlberg's theory? The options are: right conduct is a selfish thing as solely what is good for oneself. Women don't want to hurt others and want to help others. Related to moral development of children and some adults who never want to grow beyond a certain limit. Level deals with respect to for conventional rules and authority. Here it is talk about conventional level of Kohlberg's theory, both conventional level in both in Kohlberg's theory and Gilligan's theory. Goldberg's theory concentrate on men-based and Gilligan's theory concentrate on women-based. Here, so we can easily neglect option B. And first thing is selfish. Selfish is in pre-conventional level, so it is also neglected. Then related to moral development of children and some of the adult in a certain limit, it's not talk about in Kohlberg's theory. So the answer is levels deals with respect for conventional rules and authority is the answer, which is not the model of professional role. The options are savior, bureaucratic servant, game player, selfish. The answer is selfish because other three are model of a professional role. Gilligan argued the Kohlberg's theory displays which bias: experimentation bias, gender bias, socio-economic bias, interpretation bias. Here the answer is gender bias because Kohlberg's theory about men. Bureaucratic servant means the options are who receives and translates the directives of management into solid accomplishments, who receives society's directives and to satisfy society's desire, who redeem society from poverty. None of the above. The answer is who receives and translates the directives of management into solid accomplishments. Two forms of respect are: the options are truthfulness and trustworthiness, recognition and appraisal, casual and legal, act and rule. The answer is recognition and appraisal because the two forms of self-respect is given in the form of recognition and appraisal. Meldon's version is an example of dash utilitarianism theory, duty ethics, right ethics, none of the above. The answer is right ethics because Meldon version is the example for rights ethics. The first step in confronting moral dilemma is collecting all moral consideration, inviting discussions and suggestions, identifying the moral issues, making factual inquiries. The answer is identifying the moral issues. Which of the following statements related to John Rawls' theory of duty ethics show respect for persons' duties are binding on us only if they are also applicable to everyone, focus on individual actions and not on general rules voluntarily agreed upon by all rational events in hypothetical constituting situation that assures import. The answer is option D, voluntarily agreed upon by all rational agents in a hypothetical contracting. Which of the following principles is the essential principle of utilitarian school of ethics? The options are greatest health principle, greatest happiness principle, greatest wealth principle, greatest respect principle. The answer is greatest happiness principle. The factors influencing moral autonomy are the options are childhood atmosphere, relationship with friends and relatives, influence of religious institution, all the above. The answer is all the above. SWOT analysis related to developing empathy, sympathy, self-confidence, and commitment. The answer is self-confidence, which is not the effect of meditation. The options are perspicacity, anxiety, receptivity, creativity. The answer is anxiety. Which of the following statement relates to John Rawls' theory of duty ethics? The answer is option D. Dash is the golden mean between the skills in avoiding offenses and confidentiality and being secretive. The options are courage, truthfulness, generosity, friendliness. The answer is option B, truthfulness. Because if truthfulness is in between friends or any relationship, then there is a confidentiality and secret of message will be there. According to the Kohlberg's theory, the appropriate age range for conventional level is the options are 9 to 25 years, above 25 years, 9 to 20 years, below 9 years. The answer is 9 to 20 years, which is the pre-conventional levels of moral development as per Gilligan's theory. The options are right conduct is a selfish thing as solely what is good for oneself. Women don't want to hurt others and want to help others. Individuals want to balance between caring about other people and their own interests. Levels deal with respect for conventional rules and authority. The answer is right conduct is a selfish thing, so solely what is good for oneself because it is talk about pre-conventional level. Thanks for watching.